Good morning. We're not off to the greatest start because my car almost got towed and I convinced a police officer to not tow it, so that's nice. I also got laid off yesterday, so yeah, that's like an issue for another time. I'm not worrying about this right now. But yeah, getting laid off twice in 9 months, both times before you moved, is just like not really ideal. So that's my life. I'm gonna take the car up first, get the keys. He has another meeting at 11. It's 9:30 right now. So I'm gonna go up there, get the keys, do kitchen and bathroom as much as I can, unpack, come back, get the U-Haul, and then some of his friends are helping us move. So that's the plan. I'm very excited to get out of here. Also, I'll show you guys my empty apartment and I'll tell you where I live. Obviously, I'm not living here anymore, so it doesn't matter, but I lived in Liberty Square and I do not recommend living here. All right, you guys, we just got to the house. I have the whole car packed. I'm gonna go in and unload all of this. So, yeah, life did not go as planned today. We literally got to the house and I got to the house and had a full-blown conniption because the painters were still there and they weren't supposed to be there. The house is supposed to be painted white and it's fucking blue on the inside. And yeah, I had a full-blown conniption. And like the painters like didn't know that we were coming, and there's like doorknobs that need to be replaced and light bulbs. So literally nothing was ready, and they were like, the landlord was like, you know, you can stay there tonight, but like, you know, I was like, we literally cannot move furniture in here. So the one good thing I did, I mean, the whole kitchen is, you know, unloaded, so that's nice. I got bathroom stuff, and then whatever else was in here I put in like my glam room just so that they could, you know, finish working. So it's 3 o'clock now. Anyway, every time I come back into the city after going to the burbs, I'm like, holy shit, I cannot wait to leave. So I'm just like happy that this is my last time. I got Starbucks. I fucking hate Starbucks. I literally just got an iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla and oat milk. And I can't even drink it. It's so bad. So yeah, today really was not, it didn't go great. And I don't feel like vlogging the rest of the day, so I'll probably just end this here. I have to call Marissa and talk about her YouTube and plans for that. So anyway, I'm ready. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, it is the next day. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing because everything was packed. Just got to the house. This is my least favorite part of the house, is these color cabinets, but I'm gonna replace the knobs so it'll be a little better. I do love the backsplash. I just unloaded the car. I don't know how I got my desk in here by myself. Brandon was like, you can do it. I was like, shit, you're right again. So he just came up here with my car, with the other car, to go get his dad's truck. So let's see where he is. And then we're gonna drive back down to Philly together. And then I'm gonna take the Benz and he's gonna take the truck. And then we're gonna do that. Oh, he's calling me right now. I'll give you guys a little quick overview too of like what everything looks like. Just down here, not upstairs, in this horrid pink color. I just got 2 packages in the mail. These are my favorite things ever. I have been drinking my coffee out of these for years, but with the amount of times that I've hosted in like the last 9 months at my apartment, they're all gone. Excited about these. But let's do a little tour. So this is like my favorite part, is this little windowsill. Just like imagine how cute it's gonna be painted white. Black countertops. Obviously I'm not a fan of these. Guys, it's fine. We're gonna actually change out these yellow light bulbs and do white lights, so that it gives more of like a cool toned on the cabinets and the rest of the house. Okay, so we have a little kitchen island here. I don't know if this is the sweatshirt that is. We're gonna bring the bar stools. We have a little closet door here. Figured we could store like toilet paper, paper towels, stuff like that. My least favorite bathroom also because it matches the kitchen. This is like my favorite thing ever. I'm like, this is so nice. There's just like so much bathroom storage, which for me is a fucking game changer. I laid this rug out, probably not gonna use it. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this is closet 1. This will be like all of our coats because I have so many fucking coats. This is gonna be my glam room / office. So this is all stuff I have to put away. These are all like clothes, towels, stuff like that. Heading upstairs. We have the guest room, which they get their own little patio, but this is gonna be Brandon's like man cave because you know what? He deserves to have one, I guess, you know? And then closet. So this is gonna be guest room slash like man cave, whatever. Coming over here is the guest bathroom. I love the tile on these. Nice big shower. Nice, again, lots of bathroom storage. That's a plunger. I love the ceilings upstairs too. Okay. Washer, dryer. I feel like I want to put something here, but I don't know. I feel like we could put an extra dresser here for just like more storage, which would be nice. And then here's the master. I'm just gonna try not to show the windows because you can see. I love how big this room is. We're gonna get a nice big king bed. I have a boucle one that we're gonna pick up sometime eventually, but we're gonna sleep on my queen for a little. And then closet, not terribly big, but it's okay. And then master bath. I love the waterfall rain shower thing, whatever. And then same setup here. So that is our empty house tour. I'm gonna go back to Philly now. How do you feel? Are you so happy? Mavi and I just got here. He's so excited. He just did a run through the house. You wanna go run through again? Come on. He did his first pee-pee in the yard. Go upstairs. Go up. Go upstairs. Come on. Let's go. I'm just so happy for him. The first video I took of him was so freaking cute. He's just like, he's the happiest boy. Yeah, this is your home. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? He was cute. He was just like hopped up at the door waiting for him. So I also just found out that we have this nice under lighting, which I'm like thrilled about. I love this. So yeah, it is 5:30. Tensions are high. Brandon's behind me in the truck and I need to go unload the Benz right now. We have the couch, the bed, everything. We got a lot of stuff, so I need to do that. So it is about 3 hours later now. Mavi, would you like to tell them what we did? I got the couch set up, except Brandon's bringing the cushions back now, along with another truck full of stuff. Let's see what this room looks like. Yeah, not really any progress. I did get most of the bathroom set up, so that was good. This is a mess. And I just ordered us some pizza. This shit was so fucking good. I'm saving the rest for Brandon, but I could only eat 2 slices. Like, it was that good. It was meatball and ragout.
Maddie, come say hello. Come here. Maddie got some pizza too. Did you like her pizza?
Yeah. Lighting is shitty and I'm exhausted, so I will talk to you guys in the morning. Hi guys. Today it is Sunday at 5 o'clock. Today's been pretty crazy and I have yet to vlog. We basically got up and just started unpacking. Brandon's mom came over and brought over all of our stuff that we put at his parents' house like a couple weeks ago so that this move would be a little easier. And then he had to take one more trip into Philly. Everything's basically here except for my big mirror and my shoe storage. But I'm so happy. I literally just like started sobbing in the car and like came in and like ran home and gave Brandon a big hug, and I was just like, I love you. Like, I'm so grateful for this. I mean, he's just came in and literally turned my life around in the most amazing way, and I will forever be grateful for that. I went to Target. I will show you guys what I've done, what I've decorated so far. The upstairs is an absolute shit show, but down here is definitely coming along. And one of our neighbors dropped off like a sweet little orchid, and it's so cute. Mav is having the time of his fucking life. Our landlord came over again today and picked him up and took him to their pool, and he had so much fun. So he's like nice and tired, but let me show you guys what I got and what I've been doing. So I just went to Target and I got some new Myers stuff because I love this scent, the acorn spice. Every year it comes out, I love it. So I put that there, and then this is what I have for a little windowsill. I love it. I just got this stuff at Target, and then this too, but I'm gonna fill that with like some fruit or like pine cones or something. I didn't really think that much when I was in the store. I was a little overwhelmed. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. Oh my god, I got like a Shein package, and guys, look what I found on Shein. I think they are so cute, these little ghosts. I honestly might order more. I also got this runner. I don't know, I kind of fuck with it. It's kind of cute. This is obviously like just still such a mess. This is like stuff that needs to be hung. I'm gonna do the guest room in a little bit. I just wanted to like take a break, play Candy Crush, and like relax for a second. The bar cart. Oh, I will show you the bathroom. So I got this. These were all on clearance. It was amazing. I got like a pack of towels, and it came with like a towel, a washcloth, and a hand towel. So what I did with that, and this rug was also on clearance. So I'm gonna do the same thing in the guest bathroom upstairs, but I'll show you in here for right now. Literally just gonna do the same thing. So I put those right there on top of each other, and then put this little rug here. I don't even know, like, it looks weird, but it's fine. It needs a rug. And then I also put my Public Goods soap and lotion in this candle. This is just temporary. I'm like not exactly sure how I want to do this, but this is fine for now. And then I've started, we obviously have to mount the TV. The couch is put together, so that's nice, but we are, like I said, gonna get a new couch. We have no cable, so this has been on all day on my hotspot, where it's just one. I was in the middle of doing this, but I got sidetracked decorating this. We're also gonna get a new TV stand, because I just hate this one. It was like cheap, that's why I bought it. I put the decor back in here. Let me look at this room, because I think it's scary. Yeah, this will honestly be a tomorrow project, just like everything else. But here, let's see. I also just scrubbed the floors, so they're nice. This is where we slept last night, in the guest room. I think tomorrow, hopefully, we're gonna go get a bed. This is like the guest room / Brandon's office. I told him he could have control over it, but I don't know how I feel about that. And then our room is a fucking shit show. The one thing I did do was get all, I mean, not all of my clothes, obviously, like we have so many. This isn't even like a quarter of Brandon's either. I have no idea what we're gonna do. Got a TV up here. So yeah, we'll figure out the rest. I kind of want to have a drink and celebrate, just because why the fuck not? I don't have to get up for work in the morning, you know? So I think I'm gonna ask Brandon, he's out right now, picking his friend up from the bar. Don't drink and drive, people. I guess we'll like figure out dinner when he gets back. I've got him eating on like a really early schedule, which is nice, because if you know me, I intermittent fasting like as much as I can, 5-6 days a week. Yeah, that's what we were doing. He's also like begging me to keep the walls this color, which I have not been convinced yet, especially down here. Honestly, I could do it upstairs. Like, I think I could deal, but down here I just don't think I could. I think it just needs to be brightened up because it's a little dark. Granted, you know, the sun's gonna start setting soon, but yeah, I'm really, like, I'm just so happy. I'm so grateful, so thankful. And I'm just like, wow, all of these fucking years I went through goddamn hell have really paid off. And I hope it stays that way because I fucking deserve it. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.